Hey guys, I hope you're doing good. Warren Buffett said that if salary is your only source of income, then you're one step away from poverty. And that is true. If you lose your job and if you don't get a job for the next 3 to 6 months, then you know what it is. So one way I believe that you can build up a source of income which is secure is investing in stock market. This video is going to discuss some of those aspects. By the way, this is the right time to invest in stock market, especially the companies I follow. Tesla down is 3 months lowest point. All the electric cars companies are at the lowest point right now. So if you invest now, the chances are in sometimes the stock would grow. You'll make some money out of it. I need to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. All of opinions I express in my videos are personal, and it should not be taken as financial advice. However, if I say that I invest in a company, then I actually do, and I actually believe that this company's stock would go up. How do I invest? Well guys, it's very simple. There are so many apps on Google Play or App Store where you can download those apps. I'm not recommending anyone because they're not paying me at all for this recommendation. However, I use Trading 212 and eToro. These the big names in the stock market investment are daily traders investment, so you can look into it. If you're worried about your money, giving them your money, then I can tell you that any company which is FCA approved, your money up to £75,000 are safe. So if the company goes bankrupt, they disappear, then FCA will pay you up to £75,000 of your investment. So you have peace of mind for that amount of money. Trading 212 on the phone, very easy to use. It tells you buy, sell, shows you graphs, and then you can make a decision. On the computer, I don't find them very interactive. I get confused myself, so I do most of my investments and buying and selling through my phone. eToro I use for my cryptocurrency, so I have some Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's because Trading 212 do not offer these, so I used eToro for that. And there are other apps available too which you can use to invest. Start with the small amount, but guys, there are thousands, maybe hundreds and thousands of people who do no other work, no job. They're daily traders, and they make good money, very good living out of this. So it's a skill which you can learn over years. Maybe not, you will not be a millionaire in year 1 or year 2, but if you keep doing it, one day you will have £1 million worth of portfolio in your apps. But you have to start. The good thing is, if you don't have any saving, start with £10. You can do with £10, £50, £100, depending on your risk profile. They go down, yes, currently they are down, but once they go up, they will be quite high. So that's a starting video, guys. Another thing which I put, Tesla was down a week ago, 20%. It is still down. Is it gonna go up? 60-70% chances are that it would go up. It drops really bad, but then it goes up really good. That's my experience in the last year of observing Tesla. So it has dropped from $900 to $600, around $635. So that is a lot of potential gain. Whenever Tesla comes up with the good news, the stock goes up. You should expect losing money, but if you keep your money there, don't sell, stay there, it will go up. 3 months ago, I invested in electric cars makers, and then they went down by 20%. So I was a bit worried, but in a month's time, it went up, and it went up by good. Now they're still down. So my 3 favorites is Xpeng, NIO, and Li Autos. 4th is Tesla. They're all electric car makers, and they have very good potential. If you could stick around for a year or 2 with them, these companies will be mainstream companies, and you can make some money there. So I hope you guys, a bit of this briefing helpful and interesting, and I hope that this will push you to start your journey as a stock traders. Please follow my channel and like this video, share this video with your friends. I will be making more videos on this topic. Thank you very much.